we've seen massive improvements in braking technology, from high-performance disc brakes to advanced electronic systems. But there's one component that still refuses to disappear: the drum brake. It may seem old-fashioned, but it's still widely used, especially in trucks and commercial vehicles. So, why is that? Let's dive into the reasons why drum brakes are still very much alive and essential. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're uncovering the truth about a component many people think should have been retired years ago: the drum brake. Despite all the technological advancements in braking, drum brakes are still used across various vehicles. Not just any vehicles though. We're talking about heavy-duty trucks, buses, trailers, and even in some economy cars. So why hasn't this technology disappeared? Let's explore. A drum brake operates by using curved brake shoes that press outward against the inside of a rotating drum attached to the wheel. This friction slows the vehicle down. The shoes are activated either hydraulically or pneumatically, depending on the system, and they retract when the braking force is released. It's a simple and robust design, and that's part of the reason why it still exists. So why are drum brakes still used today, especially in 2025 when disc brakes dominate performance vehicles? The answer lies in their advantages for specific use cases, particularly in heavy-duty vehicles. Drum brakes have a larger friction contact area, which allows them to dissipate heat slowly and consistently over long durations. And this makes them ideal for heavy vehicles that carry large loads, especially when braking repeatedly, such as going downhill. They're less likely to overheat under continuous use compared to some older disc systems. Another reason drum brakes remain in use is their compatibility with air brake systems. Most trucks and buses use compressed air for braking, and drum brakes have been perfectly engineered over the years to work with these systems. Their actuation is straightforward, powerful, and reliable, which is exactly what you need in a commercial vehicle that hauls tons of weight daily. Drum brakes are also enclosed. That's a major benefit when it comes to off-road or rugged environments. Dirt, water, and debris can easily impact exposed disc brakes, but drum brakes have better natural protection thanks to their closed design. This makes them ideal for construction vehicles, off-road equipment, and agricultural machines. Let's not forget maintenance. In many cases, drum brakes are cheaper to maintain and replace, especially in large fleets where cost-effectiveness is crucial. They're often used on the rear axles where the braking demand isn't as intense, which further reduces wear and operating costs. You'll also find drum brakes in the rear of some small passenger cars. And the reason is simple: the rear wheels don't handle as much braking force. And using drum brakes there helps lower the manufacturing cost without compromising performance for daily driving. In short, drum brakes may not be flashy, but they're still relevant. They serve a purpose where simplicity, strength, and reliability matter more than precision or performance. That's why they haven't disappeared, and likely won't for quite a while. If you enjoyed learning something new today, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into automotive technology. Let me know in the comments, have you worked on or driven a vehicle that still uses drum brakes? I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching.